Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to start another video in the series of top 500 most important MCQs of last 1 year. Now, set number 1 से लेके set number 6 we have already completed. If you haven't watched the video, you can go to the description of this video and watch those videos first. In the today's video, we are going to cover 100 most important MCQs regarding the defense and security as well as the science and tech का portion. So next 30 minutes are going to be very important. अगर आप इसको multiple times revise कर लोगे तो it is going to help you immensely in your upcoming examination. So let us start with the today's session. Now first question is exercise Ja Mata was recently concluded between the Indian Coast Guard and the Coast Guard of which country? So the exercise Ja Mata was concluded between the Indian Coast Guard and the Japanese Coast Guard. Next question देखते हैं. We have to tell the correct statement here. Now नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं बताना चाहता हूँ इफ़ यू वांट द पीडीएफ ऑफ दिस वीडियो यू कैन सी द pinned comment section. Now, Akash Prime is a surface to air missile. Next is it can operate at high altitudes. And the third statement is it was developed by ISRO. Now, the first and the second statement are absolutely correct. Third statement is not correct because it was developed by the DRDO. So 1 and 2 is correct. Recently आकाश प्राइम का जो ट्रायल है ये लद्दाख में हुआ था, बहुत हाई एल्टीट्यूड पे हुआ था. दैट इज वाई दिस missile becomes important. Next is question number 3. The exercise Talisman Sabre is the largest defense exercise of Australia. This is very important question. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. Next is question number 4. Again we have to mention the correct statement here. Now the first statement is India's first long range glide bomb Gaurav was tested on the Sukhoi jets recently. This is an important point. Important point ये कैसे है? सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए दिस गौरव इज अ लॉन्ग रेंज ग्लाइड बॉम्ब. ओके, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आपको पता होना चाहिए गौरव हैज बीन डेवलप्ड बाय द DRDO. नाउ सेकंड स्टेटमेंट देखते हैं. इंडियाज फर्स्ट शौर्य वेदनम उत्सव वाज रिसेंटली हेल्ड इन बिहार. एंड द थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस हैज डिक्लेयर्ड द ईयर 2026 एज द ईयर ऑफ रिफॉर्म्स. नाउ अगर मैं करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट की बात करूं सो ओनली द फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. थर्ड स्टेटमेंट हमारा गलत है बिकॉज मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ डिफेंस हैज डिक्लेयर्ड द ईयर 2025 एज द ईयर ऑफ रिफॉर्म्स. सो ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. एक्सरसाइज बोल्ड कुरुक्षेत्र इज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड विच कंट्री? सो इंडिया एंड सिंगापुर. इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान में रखना है आपको इसको. एंड इफ आई आस्क यू वेयर इट वॉज कंडक्टेड सो इट वॉज रिसेंटली हेल्ड इन जोधपुर राजस्थान. Next is which operation was conducted to eliminate the terrorist involved in the Pahalgam attacks? This is an important question. ये question पूछ सकते हैं in the upcoming NTPC examinations. ठीक है. So to eliminate the terrorist involved in the Pahalgam attacks, Operation Mahadev was conducted. C is the right answer. Next is exercise Inkios 25 was conducted at. So this was conducted in Greece. Okay. D is the correct answer. And the Indian Air Force participated in this exercise. The first maritime exercise between India and Tanzania, which was named the ICME, was conducted in, so this was conducted in Tanzania, Africa. Okay. Mount Kilimanjaro, which is the highest peak of Africa, is situated in Tanzania. ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. Next देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 है हमारा. The first statement is exercise desert flag was conducted in Egypt. Second statement है Dast Lake exercise between India and Uzbekistan was conducted at Pune. So अगर मैं बात करूँ यहाँ पे desert flag exercise की, so this was conducted in UAE. ठीक है, this was conducted in UAE and not Egypt. So हमारा second statement यहाँ पे absolutely correct है. Dast Lake exercise conducted between India and Uzbekistan at Pune. So B is the correct answer. Next is exercise Tiger Claw 2025 between India and USA Special Forces was conducted at. So this exercise was conducted in Uttar Pradesh, Chandni Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. B is the correct answer and ये question भी important है. Next is Operation Secure was held between 26 countries is related to. So this Operation Secure is related to law enforcement. आपको मुझे comment section में ये बताना है कि which organization or which institution conducted this Operation Secure. This you will tell me in the comment section. Next is again question number 12 में हमें correct statement बताना है. The first statement is Pinaka is a intercontinental ballistic missile. Second is Rudrastra drone. Rudrastra is a drone. And third statement is Fateh. Fateh is a missile of Iran. Okay. Now, अगर मैं correct statement की बात करूं, so only the second and third statement here is correct. First हमारा correct नहीं है because Pinaka is a missile. Only a missile, not a intercontinental ballistic missile. मतलब ICBM नहीं है Pinaka. This is only a missile. So that is why हमारा B यहाँ पे correct answer होगा. Next is which of the following operations was conducted against the Maoist in the Red Corridor state? Again this is an important question. So अगर मैं आंसर की बात करूं, so the correct answer is Operation Kagar was conducted in the Red Corridor states. अब रेड कॉरिडोर स्टेट्स की मैं बात करूं तो छत्तीसगढ़ तेलंगाना ये दो स्टेट्स जो हैं वो रेड कॉरिडोर स्टेट्स हैं जहां पे माओइस्ट एक्टिविटीज बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. Now Operation Gideon's Chariot was conducted by Israel. Important question है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. Next is recently Golden Dragon exercise was conducted between, a very important question. So this Golden Dragon exercise was conducted between China and Mongolia. C is the correct answer. Next is the largest BrahMos integration and testing facility center was inaugurated at. Again this is an important question. Correct answer की मैं बात करूं, so Lucknow is the correct answer. Next is what is the name of the counter swarm drone recently tested at Gopalpur firing range in Odisha? Important question है. So this counter swarm drone system, the name is Bhargavastra. V is the correct answer. ठीक है. So अगर आपसे एग्जाम में ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं Bhargavastra recently seen in news is related to, so it is a counter swarm drone system. Next is question number 18. Again we have to tell the correct statement here. Now S-200 is a defense system of Russia. Patriot and THAAD is a defense system of USA. And Iron Dome and Sea Dome system is of Israel. Correct statement की मैं बात करूं, so all the given statement here is absolutely correct. So S-200, S-300, S-400, S-500 ये सारे के सारे जो हैं ये डिफेंस सिस्टम है रशिया का. Next is Geeta Samota has become the first personnel of which organization to scale the Mount Everest? So Geeta Samota is of CISF. Important question है, इसको आप ध्यान में रखना. Next is again statement wise question है. We have to tell the correct statement here. Now Igla-S is a surface to surface missile. Now other surface to air missiles are Akash and Trishul. And third statement है is India is going to buy the Igla-S from Russia. Now अगर मैं correct statement की बात करूं, so only the second and third statement here is correct. The first statement is not correct because Igla-S is a surface to air missile, not surface to surface. ठीक है. Other two statements here are absolutely correct. So B is going to be the correct answer to this question. Next is ITBP recently scaled which peak? So ITBP recently scaled Mount Makalu. Important question है, ध्यान में रखना आप. The last warship to be inducted from a foreign source. इंडिया की लास्ट वॉरशिप कौन सी है which is going to be inducted from a foreign source? So the name is INS Tamal and it is going to be brought from Russia. ठीक है. Now Simbex exercise is conducted between India and which country? So Simbex exercise is conducted between India and Singapore. Now this exercise Simbex was also held in Singapore. Please be important hai, so you need to know this. Next is again we have to tell the correct statement here. Exercise Indra 2025 was conducted between India and Russia. And India is the fourth largest military spender of the world. Correct statement की मैं बात करूं, so only the first statement here is correct because this India is not the fourth but the fifth largest military spender in the world. Okay. सो यहाँ पे हम सेकंड स्टेटमेंट एलिमिनेट कर देंगे, ओनली द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू। नाउ इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एक्सरसाइज इंद्र, ये मैंने बता दिया इंडिया एंड रशिया के बीच कंडक्ट हुई है एंड दिस ईयर ये चेन्नई में कंडक्ट हुई है। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, द ट्रॉपिक्स 25 इज द लार्जेस्ट एक्सरसाइज कंडक्टेड बाय द इंडियन नेवी। ध्यान में रखना, ट्रॉपिक्स इज अ लार्जेस्ट एक्सरसाइज दैट इज कंडक्टेड बाय द इंडियन नेवी। Next is exercise Pitch Black is conducted between the Air Force of India and Australia. This is too an important question, ये भी पता होना चाहिए आपको। Next is Operation Kalanemi against impersonating saints or religious figures was conducted in, so this Operation Kalanemi was recently conducted in Uttarakhand। ठीक है। Next again statement type question है, we have to tell the correct statement here। Now Operation Chakra 5 was conducted against the digital arrest scams by CBI and Operation Black Forest was to curb the Naxalite activities in Chhattisgarh and Telangana। We have to mention the correct statement here, so both the statement that are given here is absolutely correct। Next is again we have to mention the correct statement, Operation Indravati was aimed to rescue Indians from the war-torn Haiti। Operation Ajay was to rescue Indians from Israel। Operation Iron Sword was conducted by Israel against Hamas। Okay, yes, operations के ऊपर ये क्वेश्चन है। So if I talk about the correct answer, सारे स्टेटमेंट जो यहाँ पे दिए हैं absolutely correct हैं, D is the correct answer। Next is exercise प्रचंड शक्ति was conducted by the Indian Army at मेरठ। Important question है, आपको पता होना चाहिए। सबसे पहला तो प्रचंड शक्ति is conducted by whom? So it is conducted by the Indian Army। 14th Bold Kurukshetra exercise 2025 was conducted between India and which country at Jodhpur? So Bold Kurukshetra जो है this is conducted between India and Singapore। Next is Baltops exercise was conducted by NATO in which region? So B से यहाँ पे बाल का मतलब यहाँ से बाल्टिक सी ही है, so A is the correct answer। Next is 22nd Khan Quest exercise and 17th Nomadic Elephant exercise were conducted in Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia। Important question है ये, पता होना चाहिए आपको। खान से आप ऐसे डिराइव कर सकते हो ना, चेंगिस खान वॉज ऑफ मंगोलिया, तो खान तो यहाँ से आ गया। एंड नोमैडिक एलिफेंट के बारे में आपको पता होगा, इट इज़ कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड मंगोलिया। ठीक है, इट इज़ कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड मंगोलिया, सो यहाँ से ये आप डिराइव कर सकते हो। Next is 12th Khanjar exercise is conducted between India and which country? So 12th Khanjar exercise was conducted between India and Kyrgyzstan। Next है the 6th Dharma Guardian exercise was organized between India and Japan। Next is again statement based question है, हमें correct statement बताना है यहाँ पे। युद्ध अभ्यास was conducted between India and USA। Exercise Surya Kiran was is related to India and Nepal। So दोनों स्टेटमेंट हमारे यहाँ पे एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट हैं, सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। इक्विवेरियन एक्सरसाइज इज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड मालदीव्स। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, ध्यान में रखना आप। नेक्स्ट इज सिनबैक्स एक्सरसाइज वॉज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड कंबोडिया, बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज गरुड़ शक्ति एक्सरसाइज वॉज ऑर्गेनाइज बिटवीन इंडिया एंड इंडोनेशिया, सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। एंड गरुड़ शक्ति एक्सरसाइज की मैं बात करूं, सो दिस एक्सरसाइज ऑफ 2025 का जो एडिशन था, इट वाज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड इंडोनेशिया एंड इट वाज हेल्ड इन जकार्ता, इंडोनेशिया। एक्सरसाइज लमिताई इज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड सिचल्स। ओके, बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। नेक्स्ट इज मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज अल नजा वाज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड ओमान। इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। अब जो कुछ क्वेश्चंस है ना, ये मिडिल ईस्ट की कंट्रीज़ के साथ जो इंडिया एक्सरसाइज कंडक्ट कराता है ना, उनके ऊपर ये सारे क्वेश्चन है। एंड यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन आपका एग्जाम में आ सकता है। एक्सरसाइज सदा तंसीक वॉज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड सऊदी अरेबिया। संप्रीति एक्सरसाइज इज कंडक्टेड बिटवीन इंडिया एंड बांग्लादेश, एंड दिस इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, पता होना चाहिए आपको। नेक्स्ट इज जोरावर रिसेंटली सीन इन न्यूज इज अ टैंक, दिस इज अ military tank, C is the right answer। Ministry of Defense has declared which year as the year of reforms? So this is the year 2025। The disputed area of Nagorno-Karabakh is a point of contention between Armenia and Azerbaijan. A is the correct answer. And ये question number 46 very important है. Next is India's second nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine INS Arighat was commissioned at. This is a very important question. Correct answer है हमारा विशाखापट्टनम. Okay, विशाखापट्टनम आंध्र प्रदेश में ये इंडक्ट किया गया है. Next is again we have to mention the correct statement here. Now the first joint commander conference was held in Lucknow. Second statement की बात करूँ मैं तो Grom E1 missile belongs to Russia. So if I talk about the correct answer, both the given statement here is absolutely correct. C हमारा यहाँ पे right answer है. Now next is which organization recently conducted the AIKYA 2024? So this was conducted by the National Disaster Management Authority. Because this exercise was conducted by the NDMA, that is why this becomes important. Okay. Next is National Anti-Terrorism Day is celebrated on May 21st. Okay. Now 50 क्वेश्चंस हमने कंप्लीट कर लिए यहाँ पे डिफेंस के. ठीक है, डिफेंस एंड सिक्योरिटी के. Now let us start with the most important questions of the science and tech. Now let us see the next set, that is of science and technology and space. Now again we have to tell the correct statement here. The NISAR satellite was launched by ISRO plus NASA. Next is Stardoor Aerospace. India's first hydrogen oxygen space propulsion engine has been made by Stardoor Aerospace. Correct answer की बात करें तो both the given statement here is absolutely correct. And the important thing to know here is the full form of NISAR, that is NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar. This is the full form of NISAR. Next is again we have to mention the correct statement here. Now Adfalcivax. It is India's first homegrown multi-stage malaria vaccine. Second statement is Novartis Coartem Baby. World's first malaria drug for newborn infants. Both of these questions are very much important. आपको पता होना चाहिए. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में बताना है about the correct statement. So both the given statement here is absolutely correct. Again इस क्वेश्चन में we have to mention the correct statement. Now Pheton 2 hypersonic vehicle by China, Drone-1 communication satellite launched by Israel, and Elisa Carson is the youngest astronaut for the Mars mission. करेक्ट आंसर की बात करूं तो जितने भी यहाँ पे 3 स्टेटमेंट दिए हैं, all of these are absolutely correct. Who recently developed the world's lightest brain control device to direct beam movements? This has been done by China. Question number 5 में we have to mention the correct statement again. Now Starlink, a company of Elon Musk, gets approval to operate in India. This is absolutely correct. Next is China. World's first silicon-free computer using 2D materials had been made by China. So second statement यहाँ पे false है because यहाँ पे USA ने बनाया है the world's first silicon-free computer using 2D materials. So only the first statement is correct. Second one is not. Question number 6 में again we have to mention the correct statement. Now the Voyager 1 mission has been launched by NASA for the space exploration, and the Tianwen 2 mission has been launched by China to collect the asteroid samples. So both of the given statement here is correct. Next is Iron Cup 3 is the world's first jet-powered flying humanoid robot is of which country? So this Iron Cup 3 is the first jet-powered flying humanoid robot which has been launched by Italy. Important question है, ध्यान में रखना चाहिए आपको. Next is again we have to mention the correct statement. Honda has made the first reusable rocket, and Botswana has become the first African country to achieve WHO gold tier in ending the HIV transmission. So both of the given statement is absolutely true. Second statement को carefully आप देख लेना, important है with the perspective of health. Next, Battery Summit of 2025 was recently organized in India at New Delhi. नेक्स्ट है करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट हमें बताना है. The XFG variant is related to COVID. Nakshatra is India's first high-performance computing facility at National Institute of Virology, Pune. And the Spark therapy is related to the cancer treatment. Correct answer की बात करूं तो all the given statement here is absolutely correct. Question number 11. Again we have to mention the correct statement. Janvi Dangeti is the first Indian to participate in the US-based Titan space mission. Second statement is non-binary AI chips have been recently developed by China. Correct answer की बात करूं so both of the given statement here is correct. Next is which of the following are the correct statement regarding ISRO? Now the space station is to be established by the year 2030 and the second point is to land an Indian on moon by 2040. So अगर मैं correct statement की बात करूं तो यहाँ पे only the second statement is true that ISRO has targeted to land an Indian on moon by the year 2040. Space station establishment की जहां तक बात है तो ये 2030 नहीं 2035 तक का टारगेट है. So only the second statement here is correct. Next is Bulbul V2 is a text-to-speech model that is developed by the Sarvam AI. Important question है, ध्यान में रखिएगा आप. Which country has achieved the following? The first CCU testbed cluster for cement sector and the first country to develop the genome edited rice varieties. So both of these have been achieved by India. Very very important question है, इसको आप ध्यान में रखेंगे. Repairability Index Framework has been launched by India. A is the correct answer. Next, India's first equine disease-free compartment was established in Meerut. Question number 17 देखते हैं. Again, we have to mention the correct statement here. India's first national biobank plus longitudinal population study center has been inaugurated in New Delhi. Second is India's first gene-edited sheep has been developed by Sher-e-Kashmir University. A very very important point. And third statement की मैं बात करूं तो South Asia's largest 20 megawatt battery energy storage system is being inaugurated in New Delhi. Correct statement की बात करूं so all of the given statement here is absolutely correct. Question number 18. Again we have to mention the correct statement. Now NASA's oldest astronaut is Don Pettit. Google has recently released the Ironwood chip. Third statement है USA announced the strategic Bitcoin reserves. Correct statement की बात करूं so all of the given statement here is absolutely correct. Question number 19 maybe we have to mention the correct statement. North India's first nuclear power project is being inaugurated in Gorakhpur and Tanzania has recently trained rats to detect tuberculosis. So both the given statement here is absolutely correct. Question number 20 maybe we have to this is a statement based question. So correct statement कौन से हैं? John McFaul is the first disabled to be cleared for the International Space Mission. A very very important point. Second step is Majorana chip has been launched by Microsoft and Ocelot chip has been launched by Amazon. Correct statement की मैं बात करूं all of the given statement here is absolutely correct. Again statement based question है, correct statement हमें बताना है. So first cancer vaccine has been launched by Russia. Bharat Cancer Genome Atlas has been launched by IIT Bombay and South Asia's first infectious disease research and diagnostic lab has been inaugurated in Bangalore. So यहाँ पे first and third statement here is absolutely true because Bharat Cancer Genome Atlas has been produced by IIT Madras. Okay. So यहाँ पे 1 and 3 is true. Next is correct statement हमें बताना है. DeepSeek version 3 introduced by China. Quantum based atomic clock has been inaugurated by USA and Willow AI chip belongs to Google. So यहाँ पे 1 and 3 सही है. Second statement is not true because the quantum based atomic clock has been recently inaugurated by the United Kingdom. So 1 and 3 is correct. Second one is not correct. Next is again correct statement हमें बताना है. India's first diabetes biobank inaugurated in Chennai, Geosciences Museum inaugurated in Madhya Pradesh and Arab nation's first nuclear power plant in UAE. तो यहाँ पे तीनों स्टेटमेंट जो हैं हमारे these are absolutely correct. Next is WHO launched the Me device for medical device information. And the second is Kritrim AI has been launched by Ola. Third statement is Wipro and ISRO has partnered for a 3D printed engine rockets. So यहाँ पे जितने भी स्टेटमेंट दिए हैं सारे के सारे करेक्ट हैं. So D is the correct answer. Next is again statement based question है. India's first transgender clinic inaugurated in Lucknow. Llama AI belongs to Google. हमें बताना है कौन सा स्टेटमेंट यहाँ पे करेक्ट है. सो ओनली द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट बिकॉज द लामा AI this belongs to Meta. Okay, Meta or formerly Facebook. Next is question number 26. We have to mention the correct statement here. India's first transgender clinic in Lucknow and Llama AI by Google. So I think guess ये question repeat हो गया है, so just ignore this question. यहाँ पे only one is correct. Next is question number 27. We have to mention the correct statement. Now Mamona is a ransomware. Bharat initiative has been inaugurated by IISc Bengaluru and World Youth Skills Day is celebrated on 15th July. So यहाँ पे जितने statement दिए हैं all the statement here is absolutely correct. Question number 28, we have to mention the correct statement. The 66th International Mathematical Olympiad was held in Australia and the 57th International Chemistry Olympiad held in Dubai. Correct answer की बात करूं, so both of the given statement here is correct. Next is how many astronauts were selected for the Gaganyaan mission? So 4 astronauts have been selected for the Gaganyaan mission. The names are very much important. So the names are Subhanshu Shukla, Prashant Balakrishnan Nayyar, Angad Pratap and Ajit Krishnan. Okay, so C is going to be the correct answer to this question. Next देखते हैं the chimeric antigen receptor T cell therapy or the CAR T cell therapy. It was developed by. So अगर मैं 30th की करेक्ट आंसर की बात करूं तो यहाँ पे it has been developed by IIT Bombay. Okay. Next is Gen AI innovation report in which India secured 5th rank was released by. So this Gen AI innovation report it is released by the WIPO. Next is we have to mention the correct statement here. The mixed matrix membrane was launched by the Institute of Nanosciences Mohali. Second is the 45th COASPAR assembly was held recently in South Korea. So यहाँ पे दोनों स्टेटमेंट हमारे एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट हैं. सी हमारा करेक्ट आंसर है. Now 33rd question में again we have to mention the correct statement here. Now R21 or Matrix M is a malaria vaccine. Second statement है Carbon Star Rapid Transit has been introduced in China. Correct statement हमसे पूछा है, so both of the given statement here is absolutely correct. Next है first state to use robots for manhole cleaning. So this is Kerala. Next है the Kavach, an automatic train protection system for railways was developed by the Ministry of Railways. Next है the giant meter wave radio telescope that is GMRT is located in. So this is located in Pune. Okay, पुणे में located है GMRT, ध्यान रखेंगे आप. Next is question number 37. Again we have to mention the correct statement here. Now India's first reusable hybrid rocket is Rumi 1. Second is Asia's first preclinical network facility inaugurated in New Delhi. And Chang'e 6 mission is of China to land on the far south side of the moon. Correct answer की मैं बात करूँ यहाँ पे. So first and third statement is correct. जो ये second statement है हमारा, that is Asia's first preclinical network facility. This has been inaugurated in Faridabad and not New Delhi. That is why 1 and 3 हमारा यहाँ पे correct answer है. Question number 38. Again we have to mention the correct statement. Gopi Thotakura is the first Indian to travel in space. Second is India's first silicon carbide manufacturing facility inaugurated in Odisha. Third statement है India's first 3D printed school in Arunachal Pradesh. Now यहाँ पे first statement हमारा incorrect है because first Indian to travel in space is not Subhanshu Gopi Thotakura. He is the first space tourist. ठीक है. फर्स्ट स्पेस को ट्रैवल करने वाले जो थे वो राकेश शर्मा जी थे। दैट इज वाई हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, इनकरेक्ट है। ओके। गोपी तोतापुरा इज द फर्स्ट इंडियन स्पेस टूरिस्ट ऑन न्यू शेफर्ड रॉकेट, न्यू शेफर्ड 25 रॉकेट पे, एंड दिस मिशन वाज कंडक्टेड बाय द ब्लू ओरिजिन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 39, हमें करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताना है अगेन। नाउ, भारत फोरकास्टिंग सिस्टम inaugurated by IITM Pune, National Technology Day celebrated on 11th May, and world's largest electric ship by Australia. So all the given statement here is absolutely correct. Again 40th में correct statement बताना है। The world's first 3D printed train station inaugurated in Japan, and FRAM2 mission is the first ever human space flight to orbit Earth from pole to pole. So this is absolutely correct. एंड ये जो फ्रैम 2 मिशन है दिस इज हैज बीन कंडक्टेड बाय SpaceX. नेक्स्ट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. वी हैव टू मेंशन द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. द फर्स्ट नॉन न्यूक्लियर हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब एक्सपेरिमेंटेड बाय चाइना, एंड ब्लू ओरिजिन कंडक्टेड ऑल फीमेल मिशन टू स्पेस रिसेंटली. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, दोनों स्टेटमेंट हमारे करेक्ट हैं. नेक्स्ट है 42 में भी करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताना है. द बायोमास सैटेलाइट हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय द यूरोपियन स्पेस एजेंसी. नेक्स्ट इज चंद्रयान 5 मिशन, लूपेक्स मिशन इन कोलैबोरेशन विथ JAXA. ठीक है, चंद्रयान 5 मिशन का दूसरा नाम इज लूपेक्स मिशन ऑल्सो, विच इज jointly conducted between ISRO and Japanese Space Agency. Okay, so both the statement here is correct. 43 देखते हैं. Which country has recently become the first country to eradicate onchocerciasis? So this is none other than Niger. Next is the International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor ITER is located in France. Next is ISRO, and which organization recently built IRIS? So ISRO with the help of IIT Madras has built this IRIS. India became which number country in the world to complete space docking in the PSLV C60? So India has become the 4th country in the world. Now Nadi Tarangini, recently seen in news, is related to India's first Ayurvedic device. Next देखते हैं, India's first analog space mission was inaugurated at Hanle, Ladakh. Next is Aditya L1 is India's first mission to Sun. Important question है, ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा आपको इसको. Next is India's first mission to Venus, Shukrayaan, will be launched by the year 2028. So with this total 100 questions हमने कवर कर लिए हैं. Now एक वीडियो और आएगी इस सीरीज में, एंड इन टोटलिटी आपके 500 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. नेक्स्ट एक वीडियो में हम रिमेनिंग दोनों सेट्स को कवर कर लेंगे. अगर आपने वीडियो को यहाँ तक देखा है तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करना, कमेंट करके बताना वीडियो कैसी लगी, एंड डू सब्सक्राइब द चैनल फॉर अपकमिंग कंटेंट. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड कीप स्टडीइंग.